Now, one most important thing I forget it from the start. We need to give central line or point coordinate to surveyor. Sometimes they are asking to send the central line coordinate. So how you will execute uh, central line coordinate? Suppose this is our central line of the road, and surveyor want to put coordinate on side to mark the center of the road. So how you will give coordinate to surveyor? Okay, if you come to home tab, the tool space, in the tool space the last one, uh, toolbox. In the toolbox there are two options: report manager and miscellaneous utilities. Inside this report manager, if I click on the plus sign, there are many options. Some you may know, some we are not still uh, discuss. So first, as we already finished this video on points, so I will show you the points, because at that when I was making video on the points, I forgot it from the points option. Here we can also export point if we have point, but from here this point list you can right click and execute, and it will transfer the this option. And when you click OK, the next one, because in this file I don't have point, but the most important is this one, station offset 2 point. So for this you need alignment inside the point, because it needs station. For the station you must have alignment, because from the alignment this report will created him the reference of the station will this report will get reference from the alignment station. So you must have alignment and point, so it will create station offset 2 point. You must try this. Right click on it, click execute, and it says no points in the alignment creation, because here no points, so it's on. Then forward you will click OK, and you will show him the location where you want to save your file. Okay, now today same like here for the surface, you can create report for surface point to save like this one. You should try this. Now coming to alignment. For the alignment here, because we already finished the alignment, so for the alignment if I right click execute, it's asking for point group. You must click this one, so it will uncheck. I need only alignment, so I click on the alignment, and it will select the alignment related thing. So if I click OK, it's asking for where you want. Suppose I will save this file on the desktop, and the type of the file you can select from here: PDF, TXT, HTML. What type of file you want, you can save. Suppose I want to save in Excel, and I will write Caro alignment Caro, and then I will save this one, and it will automatically open after saving this. You can see now I have 3 arrows, so 1 2 3 is showing the data, the radius, length, mid ordinate, and like this you can create the alignment from here, the alignment name, and this the data you can see from here. Okay, the next one, alignment relation, alignment design criteria, like you should try increment station report, PI, where is the PI, station in Karo, on which station the Karo you can create. But the most important is station alignment stick out. sorry, alignment report. For the sticker alignment report, if I you right click, it asking because the reference you will give the point number 1 and the point number 2. So for that you must create one point here at the start and one point here at the end. So I will first create a point here. I will right click and from here manually I will click here. Suppose this is description, I will give point number 1 only, it is for the reference, and the next one here at the end, this point number 2. So now as I created point, I will description only so you can know. From here this is a point number 1 and the other one is point number 2. Now if you come to this tool space bar here on the alignment, right click and execute. Okay, how many elements you have inside your drawing, it will select all here, so you unselect one and the one you have select that one. You already you will know the name of your alignment. Okay, the 2 point why I created because this sticker point the one and the back side. For the first click here or right here, but click here and then select the point number 1, and now you can see this is the 9 number point, and for the calculation how many point before I created civil 3D count that, and here I will select from the back side, I will select point number 2 which I give in the description, but for civil 3D it is point number 10, no problem. Select angle type, turn minus like deflected, but I will leave it at the default by default. Okay, starting station, from which station you will start, and station. Okay, mostly we are taking coordinate 25-20 meter. You can take upset also if you need on the right side 5 meter, on the left side 5 meter, you can create from here minus and plus like this one. Okay, and from here and the desktop I will create in the Excel. You can give surveyor to Excel or Excel file or txt file. So I will write center line coordinate up alignment. Alignment, you know the alignment name. Suppose this is ABC, alignment ABC, and then click save, and then create report. Click on the create report, and now as you can see, main you can delete this or you can delete this option also if you don't need. Okay, from here this is take out alignment report. You can write your name of the alignment. Suppose this is alignment ABC. Okay, this is alignment ABC. The first one is station, this turn right, this because from here it's turning right, so it will show what type the distance 0 25 50 on which station, because from here you also know. And this is the northing and easting. Okay, now because I created this manually, I don't have the coordinate this by this was factors, so it's showing the minus 10. Okay, sometime the surveyor need only digit the M, you will remove M, so control F, uh, press control F, and then in the replace right here the plus sign and replace with nothing and replace all. So the plus sign from here it will remove, and also if you want to remove M, so replace all, and the meter also will remove. Okay, from the here the comma, if you don't need comma, go to home and then select the general, and it will like this. From 2 digit to 4 digit this precision you can adjust your digit length, and you can also adjust your page to, if you want to give to print to anyone, you can adjust the height and like this. And like this you can adjust your page to give or to represent someone to showing it's like if it look good. If you want to show him like this, arrange your uh, heading, like adjust your like this, if he need only northing, easting and station, so you may delete this one. Or if you want to bring it back to your civil 3D, so um, change take a copy from here and then remove this 025, put here 123 because the serial number must be to import to the civil 3D, the serial number must be 123, and take this station to description. Suppose if I want to import again to the civil 3D, I will delete this one. I will this cut and paste here, okay, because we have heading. So from here the station, cut here and paste here, so and put here 123 like this, 1 2, and select this one to end up to where you want. So now adjust your okay, delete this one, and now you can save this to CSV, and again you can import this one to check if your point are correct or not, but it is correct because he already take civil 3D. So this just I want to show you how if somebody need only coordinates and station, you can adjust like this one, like this to give to surveyor, or already you have created, like how you created, if you want to give like this or if you want to give to like this, only you need to adjust this some rows to show um, to look beautiful like this table, and you can give that. Okay, so this was the important thing I left in the previous classes, so I thought it should be shared with you to how to give coordinate to surveyor from putting on side to your center line. Okay, thank you. So that was today video. Hopefully you will practice on it, and you will practice on what thing I left. You must try these also. Sometimes you need more from here, so uh, try each one, so maybe in future if you need someone, you will remember that this option is available there. Okay, thank you.